Hello, Paul here from EMD Motor Sport at Caringbah. Today I've got a Porsche 986 Boxster. Just came in for a full inspection and then some parts to be replaced for this customer here. This is a nice car. I always like the 996, 986s. They still hold them sort of the Porsche look. New one's nice. Can't complain, but they are nice. Anyway, so we're just starting it today because yesterday was really hectic with parts. Some of the parts for this car came late and pushed my work back, but anyway, so we're starting this car today. So first thing we're doing a full check over, and then we just do the pressure test at the back here. And then what we found is coolant start pouring out here, so take the pressure out now because we don't need it, and then we're gonna just clean up the coolant. Anyway, so it's leaking, basically leaking from the radiator, 100% leaking from the radiator. It's underneath here. We'll have a look properly when I take the car up. It looks like a radiator is leaking, but we're still going to check the hoses, make sure the clamps are on properly. But luckily I have some radiator in stock for these vehicles because I stocked them just in case. Gets to a point now it's very hard to find parts and then waiting is too long, so I'm starting to buy parts for these common like radiators and things like that, condensers. I'm stocking them here so I don't have to worry about buying parts for and waiting for them to come. Anyway, just a quick video to show you guys what's happening, and then I'll do some more video on this vehicle once everything is stripped out underneath, and then we'll look properly. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.